In the given scatter plot, a line of best fit for the data is shown. Which of the following is closest to the slope of the line of best fit shown? So we have this line of best fit for this data, and we need to find the slope of this graph. And remember, the slope of a line is equal to the change in y over the change in x. So let's choose 2 points on this graph, ideally at some corners, so we can easily tell the coordinates of the point, and find the slope of the graph. So here, let's use this value here at 3 and 8, since it's at the corner, and there's not really another corner here, so we'll have to arbitrarily choose a point. This one over here seems pretty close to 4 and 8, so we'll use these 2 coordinates. So we went from 3, 8 to 4, 8. Or sorry, this coordinate here shouldn't be. We went from 3 with a y value of 7 to 4 with a y value of 8. So our change in y, we went from 7 to 8, so the change will do 8 minus 7. And the change in x, we went from 3 to 4, so 4 minus 3. It doesn't matter which order you choose the points. Like, you could have done 7 minus 8 in the numerator, but if you were doing that, you would have to do 3 minus 4 in the denominator. You would have to choose the order of the points. So in this case, I just did the 4, 8 minus 3, 7. So now the 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So the slope of this graph is approximately 1. And that matches answer choice C.